November 71 Romeo, left turn out approved, runway 17, clear for takeoff, wind 190 at 10.
Leesburg Tower, Cirrus 24 Echo November is 10 miles to the west, we have the weather.
Cirrus 24 Echo November, Leesburg Tower, make right traffic, runway 17.
Right traffic 17, 24 Echo November.
6 Whiskey Bravo, inbound Cirrus, has you in sight just slightly off your left front, 11, 12 o'clock, and a mile and a half southeastbound, 1,500.
Roger, sir, we got him in sight, not a factor, 786 Whiskey Bravo.
November 24 Echo November, and reference that traffic, you can proceed inbound for the right base to runway 17. 2871 Romeo, there's inbound traffic off your left front, 11 o'clock, and about 3 miles to the Penang, is straight in for runway 17.
287, we're looking, request the frequency change.
November 71 Romeo, frequency crew, have a good day.
Good afternoon, Panama approach, November 287 Romeo, VFR request.
Romeo, Roger, pay attention.
287 Romeo, Cessna 182 Skyline. We request the VFR fly following to Kilo Hotel Yankee Alpha at 7,500.
71 Romeo, to confirm the destination Oscar Yankee Alpha.
Negative, Kilo Hotel Yankee Alpha.
Number 71 Romeo, squawk 3642 and ident.
3642 ident, 287 Romeo.
Number 71 Romeo, radar contact about 10 southeast of Frederick. Traffic's 1 o'clock at 3 miles, and Airbus southbound at 4.
287 Romeo, we're looking.
Topic Southwest 2898, we're with you 12-8 for Troy's at 12, information Delta.
Southwest 2898, Potomac approach, descend via the Trish 3 arrival, runway 10, Baltimore altimeter 3027.
Good afternoon, Philly approach, November 287 Romeo, 7,500.
Number 2871 Romeo, Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3028. You're cleared through the Philadelphia Class Bravo airspace.
We're clear to Philadelphia Class Bravo, we're at 7,500.
Traffic alert 71 Romeo, traffic off your left side, 8 to 9 o'clock and about 2 miles eastbound, 7400 indicated, aircraft type is unknown. If you don't have the traffic in sight, advise you climb 500 feet immediately.
I don't have traffic inside, we're climbing to 8,000.
Philly approach, Arrow E301, Charlie's with you, descending to 3,500, direct for anyone.
Number 8301, Charlie Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3028.
28.
Number 573, contact approach 123.8, good afternoon.
123.8, 573, thank you.
Frontier flight 518, turn right heading 140, correction, 150 back to the final, try to maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000, heading 150, Frontier flight 518.
What's up?
And E301, Charlie, can we continue our descent from 3,500?
Number 01 Charlie, K-firm, you guys can continue your VFR descent, that's no problem.
Okay, thanks.
Frontier flight 518, contact approach 125.4, good afternoon.
254, have a good day, Frontier flight 518.
Out of 2489.
2489 with you, level 6,000, we have Quebec.
Roger, flighting 340 for sequence.
340 heading 2489.
030, maintain 6,000. The UPS 2076 heavy, 30 heading 6,000.
Heading 6,000, 2076 heavy.
Trigger 3496, 080 heading, the final 120.15.
2015-00, heading Brickyard 39, or 496.
Out of 1880, flighting 020.
Yeah, 1880, 020.
Out of 1359, flighting 020.
020, 1359.
And no, UPS 2076 heavy, turn on right heading 050, finals on 120.15.
10, 12015, just 2076, good night.
Good night.